Before the engines and the neon glow, before the rush of the roads we know, there's a quiet path through the morning air, and something sacred is waiting there. Frost on the grass, breath turning white, a pale gold edge to the fading night. Every worry loosens its hold on me in the hush beneath the old oak tree. No crowd, no noise, no endless scroll, just wind and sky restoring my soul. Thank you, Lord, for this gift I see. This quiet grace surrounds me. Nothing stirs my heart like the wild and free rolling hills and a whispering canopy where the streams run and the hawks ride high and the world slows down as the clouds drift by. I've chased many roads and goals, but nothing moves me, nothing makes me whole like good old nature calling me home. Birdsong weaving the rising day, sunlight warming the silver gray sky. Footsteps soft on the forest floor, like I've walked this trail 1,000 times before. The scent of sassafras and the cooling shade, the patient work that the seasons made. Every leaf and stone and stream feels older than time and part of me. No polished steel, no concrete walls, just earth and sky, and that is all. Thank you, Lord, for breath and life, for the morning calm and peaceful sight. Nothing stirs my heart like the wild and free rolling fields and a wind-bent tree where the streams run and the hawks ride high and the world slows down as the clouds drift by. I've chased many roads and goals, but nothing moves me, nothing makes me whole like good old nature calling me home. Crashing in and the noise of living wears me thin, I return to the soil, the wind, the rain, and I remember who I am again. Thank you, Lord, for the steady ground, for the healing in each small sound. Nothing stirs my soul like the country air, open skies and the silence there where the stars burn bright and the night runs deep, and the ancient rhythms rock my sleep. I've walked through fire, I've walked through stone, but the wild reminds me I'm not alone. Good old nature calling me home. And the rustling leaves and the flowing streams and the quiet spaces between my dreams, I find a peace no words can claim, and I leave each time not quite the same. Thank you, Lord, for the earth and sky, for this life, this breath, this sacred wine.